Hey there, I'm Becca Kingsbury from YouCanBookMe. Your schedule should work for you, not the other way around. With YouCanBookMe, you get complete control over your availability, so meetings fit around your life. YouCanBookMe syncs with Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Fastmail calendars, so your booking page always shows when you're actually free. Say goodbye to double bookings and time zone confusion because the system automatically detects participant time zone and shows the correct times for everyone. Take full control of your schedule with flexible booking limits. You can approve or decline meetings before they're even confirmed. You can create password-protected pages to keep bookings private and define exact days and times that people can schedule with you. You can set a cap on how many meetings happen each day to protect your focus, add buffer time before or after appointments for travel or prep, and even schedule breaks for lunch or personal time. If your schedule repeats weekly, you can set it once and have your booking page match it automatically. You can also share single-use links for one-off meetings, interviews, or exclusive appointments, and set minimum and maximum notice to avoid last-minute bookings or overtly distant appointments. With YouCanBookMe, you get total control over your availability, reduce back and forth scheduling, and make it easy for clients or colleagues to book time with you while keeping your life organized. Professionals across the globe rely on it to simplify booking and take the stress out of scheduling. So get started for free today. Create your own booking page in just a few minutes and take back control of your schedule.